Today we are at Halim railway station because we are getting the high-speed train from Jakarta to Bandung, and I've never got a high-speed train before, so I am so excited.
The high-speed train here is actually the very first high-speed train in the whole of Southeast Asia, and it's similar to Japan's Shinkansen. It cost $7.3 billion. Since it first opened in September, it served over 3.5 million passengers. The train also goes pretty damn fast and is considered a bullet train. It goes at a speed of 220 miles an hour as well, which is damn fast. It cuts what's normally a 3-hour train journey down to 45 minutes. So yeah, we're really excited to get on this, experience our first ever high-speed train.